Good morning, my students. Hello, how are you? Okay, we start with our second period. You please in your notebook draw a beautiful picture and decorate around to start our second period. Today is Tuesday, okay? And we start the reader book in the reader book, okay? And perform on page 15 to 18, an activity. Draw the meaning of these words. Please found in your dictionary or internet the meaning of these words and in front of them draw the meaning. ¿Ok? Tienes que buscar el significado de estas palabras y al frente dibujar el significado. No utilicen español, sino recuerden el significado por medio de dibujos, como siempre lo hacemos. Ok. Please open your reader book, page 15. A dangerous hike. My cousin Josh visited my family for a week last summer. Okay, the last summer he visited his family for 1 week, Monday, Tuesday, 1 week, 7 days. Tim, I bored. Just say one day, nothing to do. Okay, it's not copy. It's bored. Have you ever gone hiking on these trails behind your house? Look, have you ever go, yes, go this trail behind your house? Okay, this way, in this way. Of course I have. I know them like the back of my hand. Okay, he asks about the if he gone to the for this way and Tim, of course, yes, sure. I know them like the back of my hand. Lo conozco como la palma de mi mano. The way, okay, this way. He said proudly, orgulloso. So, let's go, he said excitedly. I immediately regretted boasting about my knowledge of the forest. Look, I shouldn't have said anything. I thought to myself, yes, he know nothing about the forest. I never been up there without mom or dad. ¿Ok? Él nunca había subido por ese camino sin su mami o su papi. I said to just, let's wait for my dad. He just went to town for a while. Okay? Wait for his father. He just went to the town for a while. Okay? The father of Tim went to a town, the city, small city. But he said, "No, let's go now," Jeff insisted. Tim said, "No, wait for my father, wait." And, and Jeff, "No, let's go now." I had a feeling something bad would happen if we went, but I still agreed. Yes, él sintió, he felt something bad, que algo malo podía ocurrir, pero, but still agreed, pero estuvo de acuerdo. I hiked a lot with my parents. In the past, he hiked a lot, yes. So I wasn't worried about getting lost. Él no se preocupaba, no estaba preocupado porque ya había ido con los papás y pues no le preocupaba perderse. But I was worried about getting in trouble. Okay, probably, yes. He was thinking about probably we have a problem because one day the father said, "Don't go hiking without an adult. It's dangerous." The father said, he remembered the father, and the father said, "Please don't go hiking without an adult. It's dangerous." I tried not to think about that worrying as we hiked up the mountain. Okay, don't worry about and not remember more the father. No more, no more. He, he doesn't remember more the instruction of the father and go. Okay, él se acuerda cuando su papá le dice que no se vayan, que nunca vaya a ir never, le dice never, nunca vaya a ir a la montaña sin un adulto, pero, pero él pues trata de no volverse a acordar de eso y se va. After about an hour, look, 1 hour, I stopped a blackberry brush. Look, blackberry brush. He stopped. Have you ever tried blackberries? I asked Jack. Yes, blackberry. Yes. Él le pregunta que si alguna vez había cogido blackberries. No, I never had them before, he said. I picked a handful and said they are delicious. Okay, take a lot of blackberry and eat, as he said, "Oh, it's delicious." Just agreed. So we sat for a while longer eating berries. A long time eating berries. And finally, I said we should go home. "No, let's climb those rocks over there," he said. Okay, my student, this is the activity for today. Please don't forget that you need to draw the meaning of this word. Okay, let's go. Bye.